In front of me is a Bluboo S8, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings app, and from here just scroll down to Storage right over here. Tap on your SD card, then tap on the three dots where you will find the Settings option, in which you should see Format. Tap on it, and then you will get a message that formatting erases all data that is on the SD card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, but assuming you have done that or you just want to remove all the data from it, tap on Erase and Format. The process will begin. Now it's a fairly quick one, only takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more as it is right now. Tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.